Hi everybody, it's John from immoviewer 360 here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use the administrative functions. Now, first thing that we want to learn here is how to create a new account or a new sub-account under your administrative account. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to click on admin. It should be here on the top left, just beside 3D Tour, and after clicking on that, it'll lead you to this screen. Now, to add a new account, all you have to do is just click on Add User. Now, all you have to do here is fill out the information. So, as you can see, you have three information text boxes here. So, the identity format should normally be first name underscore last name underscore the office where this particular agent is located. This makes it a lot easier for you to search for the agent's account. Now, next up, you also fill out the login credentials, starting from the email and the password, and you want to set which country they belong to. Now, the password default, the recommended default, by the way, is always your last name followed by an exclamation point. However, feel free to give them whatever password default you guys have in your administration or in your company. So essentially, once you have that filled out, you also want to fill out the profile of the agent. Now, this profile is what will appear on the tours under this account. So there you have it. Let's just pretend that you have filled that in. There you go. And you also want to receive notifications for any viewers visiting the account or visiting your tours. You can also upload your own profile image here. So, provided that we have completed all these information, all you have to do is just click on Submit. Wait for the system to process. As soon as it's done, it'll tell you that the account has been created. So as you can see here, we have a new account under our hierarchy, and that's how you create a new account. If you guys have any other questions, feedback, suggestions, feel free to contact our support team. You can email us at help@immoviewer.us or chat with us at help@immoviewer.com. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.